All right, let's go ahead and read the problem. Cameron used 9/16 pounds of sugar to bake a batch of cookies. He used 1/2 pounds of sugar to bake a batch of cupcakes. How many pounds of sugar did he use in all? So the key word here, boys and girls, is all. They want to know the total pounds of sugar. So we're going to restate the question. How many pounds of sugar did he use in all? Cameron used blank pounds of sugar. Okay. Now let's go ahead and write the facts. So we know that he used 9/16 pounds. That's abbreviated for pounds. For cookies. And he used 1/2 pounds for cupcakes. And they need to find the total amount. All right. Let's move this a little bit up. So what we're going to do is we are going to add. We are doing adding the fractions in this question. So okay, that's how it looks like. So the first thing you need to do is make a t-chart. And let's go ahead and circle the denominators. When we are adding fractions, we need to make sure our denominators are the same. And right now, this is 16 and this is 2, and they are not the same. So we're going to write 16. We're going to write 2. And then we're going to find the multiples, the least common multiple. So this is 16. Let's go ahead and move our 2 all the way to, maybe if it gets to 16, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. So we have our common denominator. We'll go ahead and change our denominators now. So that is my new denominator. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to basically multiply my numerator here. So 16 times what number is 16? 1. Whatever we do to the bottom, we do to the top. So our new numerator is 9. Now let's do the same thing for the bottom. So 2 times what number is 16? If you didn't know that, you could just go ahead and count right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Whatever you do to the bottom, you do to the top. So our new numerator is 8/16. So now we are going to add our fraction. Nine plus 8 is what? So 9, count on. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. And our denominator stays the same. Now, this is an improper fraction. So we need to change this to a proper fraction. I'm going to do it over here so you guys can see better. So yes, this is our answer, but this is not our final answer. We're going to simplify this. We're going to make this into a mixed number. How we do that is we just basically divide. So 16 goes into 17 how many times? 1 time. How much left over? 1 is left over, and our denominator is 16. So our answer is Cameron used 1 1/116 pounds of sugar. And that's our final answer. Make this a little bit bigger.